Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival, and right now I'm just doing a install on this really sweet President McKinley AM CB radio. It's also got single sideband on it, and so I just wanted to show you guys a real quick tip for, well, before I do that, I'll show you. Here's the antenna. There's the antenna mount. It's a 5/8 wavelength, and what I ended up doing is just going to the side of my headache rack right here, and then run everything down through the bottom. I came up through the floorboard up through here, ran the coax down through here, and then over to the radio. And then for the power, some cars these days don't have a very accessible or easy way to add an accessory, and so that's what I wanted to show you guys today. If you ever need to, let me get this real quick. If you ever need to add a accessory like a radio, a GMRS radio or CB radio, or maybe a set of lights or something like that, you can go to your auto parts store and get you a little mini add a circuit holder. And basically what this is it's a little deal here that slides into your mini fuses, and the first fuse, this yellow one, will be, you know, the normal fuse. It basically just relocates it, and then this second one is your auxiliary fuse that you're adding, and then you just plug it in there. So for example, boom, plug it in, and I've got power to the McKinley CB. Now what I did here is it comes you know, from the auto parts store with just one lead coming off of it like this, but I know that I'm going to add a second radio, a second GMRS radio also, so I went ahead and left my power lead right here. So then all I got to do is just plug it in. The other thing when you're installing these CBs is you got to make sure that you get a good ground. So I went to this, you know, metal that's going to the chassis right here, so there shouldn't be any issues with that. But anyhow, I will do a full, you know, more of a review once I've had a chance to use this McKinley a little bit, get used to it, and also you know, do some testing on the distances and all that kind of stuff. But it's looking like it's going to be a pretty sweet radio. I'm pretty excited to get to start using it. So anyway, I will throw a link down in the description below to where you guys can find these radios on Amazon, and if I can find one on Amazon, I'll throw a link to the little add a fuse things too, the piggyback as well. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. As always, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget to live the 6 P's. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.